Section 9. Internet. Introduction. In the previous studies section, we discussed the basics of networking, its history and types of network. In this study section, we will discuss the Internet. We will look at intranet and extranet. We will also look at the technology implications of the new Internet applications, such as the need for higher bandwidth technologies and security. Learning outcomes. When you have studied this session, you should be able to explain Internet and its hierarchy, apply intranet solutions, apply Internet solutions, explain the technology implications of Internet applications. Internet hierarchy. The Internet has three components: information, wires, and people. The wires are arranged in a loose hierarchy, with the fastest wires located in the middle of the cloud on one of the Internet's many backbones. Regional networks connect to the Internet backbone at one of several network access points, NAPS, including MAE East in Herndon, Virginia, and MAE West in Palo Alto, California. Internet service providers, ISPs, administer or connect to the regional networks and serve customers from one or more points of presence, POPs. Dynamic adaptive routing allows Internet traffic to be automatically rerouted around circuit failures. DataQuest estimates that up to 88% of all traffic on the Internet touches a Cisco router at some point. Intranet. An intranet is an internal network based on Internet and World Wide Web technology that delivers immediate, up-to-date information and services to networked employees anytime, anywhere, whether providing capabilities to download the latest sales presentation, arrange travel, or report a defective disk drive to the Technical Assistance Center. An intranet offers a common platform-independent interface that is consistent, easy to implement, and easy to use. Initially, organizations used intranets almost exclusively as publishing platforms for delivering up-to-the-minute information to employees worldwide. Increasingly, however, organizations are broadening the scope of their intranet to encompass interactive services that streamline business processes and reduce the time employees spend on routine paper-based tasks. Finally, and perhaps most important, intranet enhance employees' productivity by equipping them with powerful, consistent tools. Typical intranet applications are 1. Employee self-service. Employee self-service provides your employees with the ability to access information at any time from anywhere they want. It enables employees to independently access vital company information. Employee self-service allows companies to save on labor costs as well as increase employee productivity and communication. 2. Distance learning. Employee training becomes more accessible through distance learning over the data network, which can draw employees from many sites into a single virtual classroom, saving them travel time and keeping them more productive. 3. Technical support. Companies with limited IS staff can deploy an intranet server to answer frequently asked technical questions, house software that users can download, and provide documentation on a variety of subjects. Users gain instant access to key technical assistance, while IS staff can concentrate on other matters. 4. Video conferencing. A proven way to bring team members together without calling for travel video conferencing is now possible over a data network, bypassing the need for an expensive parallel network. Intranets can make video conferences easier to set up and use. Benefits of intranet include the following. 1. Improve design productivity and compress time to market for example, by providing engineers with immediate access to online part information and requisition. 2. Increase productivity through greater employee collaboration. 3. Share or access vital information at any time from any location. 4. Minimize downtime and cut maintenance costs by providing work teams with complete electronic work packages. 5. Lower administrative costs by automating common tasks such as forms and benefit paperwork. Extranet. An extranet allows you to extend your company intranet to your supply chain. Extranets are an extension of the company network, a collaborative internet connection to customers and trading partners designed to provide access to specific company information and facilitate closer working relationships. The way you extend your company network to your extranet partners can vary. For instance, you can use a private network for real-time communication, or you can leverage virtual private networks, VPNs, over the internet for cost savings. You can also use a combination of both. However, it is important to realize that each solution has different benefits and security solutions. A typical extranet solution requires a router at each end, a firewall, authentication software, a server, and a dedicated WAN line or VPN over the internet. Typical extranet applications are supply chain management, customer communications, distributor promotions, online continuing education, stroke training, customer service, order status inquiry, etc. Intranets. Benefits of extranet include the following. 1. You can decrease inventories and cycle times while improving on-time delivery. 2. You can increase customer satisfaction and at the same time more effectively manage the supply chain. 3. You can improve sales channel performance by providing dealers and distributors with product and promotional information online while it's hot. 4. You can reduce cost by automating everyday processes. 5. You can improve customer satisfaction by streamlining processes and improving productivity. Technology implications of Internet applications. There are real technology implications to these new Internet applications. First is the need for increased bandwidth. Internet, intranet, and extranet have totally reversed the 80-20 rule so that now 80% of the traffic is going over the backbone and only 20% is local. Everyone is clamoring for fast Ethernet and even gigabit Ethernet connections. The need for security is obvious once a computer system is connected to the internet. Applications need bandwidth. The type of connection necessary depends on the bandwidth required. 1. Individual users connecting to the internet for email or casual web browsing can usually get by using a simple modem. 2. Power users or small offices should consider ISDN or frame relay. 3. Larger offices or businesses that expect high levels of internet traffic should look into frame relay or released lines. 4. New technologies like asymmetric digital subscriber line ADSL and high data rate digital subscriber line HDSL will make high-speed internet access even more affordable in the future. Internet security solutions. One of the most vulnerable points in a customer's network is its connection to the internet. To secure the communication between a corporate headquarters and the internet, a customer needs all the integrity security tools at its disposal. These tools include firewalls, network address translation, NAT, and encryption token cards, and others. Virtual private network. Virtual private networks, VPNs, can bring the power of the internet to the local enterprise network. Here is where the distinction between internet and intranet starts to blur. By building a VPN, an enterprise can use the public internet as its own private one, because it is generally much less expensive to connect to the internet than it is to lease data circuits. A VPN may allow companies to connect remote offices or employees when they could not ordinarily justify the cost of a regular WAN connection. Some of the technologies that make VPNs possible are tunneling, encryption, resource reservation protocol, RSVP, etc. Electronic data interchange, EDI. Electronic commerce can streamline regular business activities in new ways. Have any of you used a fax machine to send purchase orders to vendors? A fax machine turns your PO into bits, transmits them across a network, and then turns them back into atoms on the other hand. The disadvantage is that the atoms on the other end can only be read by a human being, who probably has to retype the data into another computer. EDI provides a way for many companies to reduce their operating cost by eliminating the atoms and keeping the bits. What advantages does EDI provide your customer? 1. Ensures accurate data transmission. 2. Provides fast customer response. 3. Enables automatic data transfer, no need to rekey. Public key/private key encryption is created by the PGP program Pretty Good Privacy. It creates a public key and a private key. Anyone can encrypt a file with your public key, but only you can decrypt the file. To ensure security, an enterprise may issue a public key to its customers, but only the enterprise will be able to decrypt a message using the private key. Study section summary. In this study section, we learned that 1. The Internet has created the capability for almost any computer system to communicate with any other. 2. An intranet is an internal network based on Internet and World Wide Web technology that delivers immediate, up-to-date information and services to networked employees anytime, anywhere. 3. Extranets are an extension of the company network, a collaborative internet connection to customers and trading partners designed to provide access to specific company information and facilitate closer working relationships. 4. There are real technology implications to these new internet applications, e.g., the need for increased bandwidth, security, etc. This is the end of study section 9. Thanks for listening.